Hello friends, this is Dipti from Trayan Arts. Today I will be sharing this new project which I have done. Yes, it's a mini journal. But before I begin to show you this, I want to let you know that this journal I have made for sale. So after going through this video, if you are interested in purchasing this, please visit my Instagram handle linked below and leave a message. I will share the price details. So let's begin. This journal measures around 12.5 by 14 centimeter. The cover is made up of fabric. It has this removable closure. So if you don't want to use this, you can just remove it. It has this book plate where you can give a name to this journal. A small paperclip embellishment. As you can see, this is a very thin journal with few pages. It has only one signature. I wanted to keep this very simple and straightforward. So if you are a beginner in the process of journal writing, you might find it very easy to understand and use. Also, if you are a beginner in the process of making a journal, then this one could be a very simple project to start with. As you open, you have a tuck spot on the front cover where I have added this journal card. This can be used to write the purpose of the journal or the concept of this journal. I have used only tea dyed papers throughout this journal. Yes, this was my first attempt towards tea dyeing process, and I've just followed a very simple method of taking the tea solution and applying onto this photocopy paper with a brush, just like this. And this is the result which I have got, and I am quite happy with this. I have stamped on few of the pages here and there. For this one, I have not used any clear stamp, but this is an actual leaf imprint. This is a pocket where I have inserted a small tag and a journal card, and both of them have some writing space at the back. This is a clear stamped image. Some stenciling, again a small paper clip with this bead embellishment. As you can see, there is a lot of writing space in this journal, but again it depends on how you want to use this. You can add a lot of pictures along with writing. So this can be used as a present for someone where you can incorporate a lot of memories you have created with that person, or you can also use it for yourself to record a specific event in your life. Maybe your first international trip, your child's first birthday, your first anniversary. I'm just trying to give some ideas. The possibilities can be endless. This is again a fabric scrappy with a little heart which says thinking. This is the middle of the signature. Again the same leaf imprint. This is a belly band. Yeah, that's what you call this. And it says, enjoy the little things. These phrases I have taken from the PDF by Natasha from Treasure Books. I have a link to this document in my previous video. This has a tag and a journal card with some writing space at the back. Again some stamped images. A tuck spot where I have added a flip down envelope. I have just placed this over here. You can just move this wherever you want or paste it anywhere. Like you can have this onto this paper clip which I had shown. Where did it go? Yeah, here. So you can just tuck it like this. I have not pasted any of the embellishments so that you have a freedom to use it your own way. Yeah, so this is the end of the journal. In the back cover I have added this corner pocket with some embellishments which you can use to decorate the journal. This corner pocket also has some writing space where you can give some concluding remarks regarding the journal. The back cover has again an envelope where you can insert some stuff. I have also added a small envelope inside this. Just a second. Yeah. This you can use it anywhere inside the journal. You can just paste it like this, or again use a paper clip like this and just tuck it over here. I've also added few small embellishments which you can use to decorate this journal. Dream, then do. Moments. Believe. Love. Be authentic. Take chances. Worked hard. So these are some small embellishments, which you can use inside to decorate this. So this is how the journal goes. In case you like this and you want to purchase this, please click on the link to my Instagram post below. Also, I will be shipping this to India only due to the restrictions which we are having right now. Do let me know how did you like this idea and leave a comment below. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.